Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools: a blank 8 GB or larger USB and a Windows 11 ISO. Insert the USB and back up any files on it so nothing is lost. Open Rufus or the Media Creation tool, select the ISO, choose GPT for UEFI, and set FAT32 or NTFS as needed. Once done, click Start and wait for the tool to write the image. You'll see progress. Make sure the process finishes without errors before removing the drive. You now boot the target PC from the USB. Restart, press the boot key F12, ESC, Dell, or manufacturer specific, and pick the USB UEFI option. When Windows Setup loads, choose Language and Keyboard, then click Install Now. Enter product key or skip for later, choose Custom for a fresh install, and select the target partition. Format if you want a clean slate. Once done, the installer copies files and reboots several times. Let it finish uninterrupted until OOB begins. You finish by completing out-of-box experience steps. Pick region, connect to network, and sign in with a Microsoft or local account. Adjust privacy settings to taste. After setup, install chipset and GPU drivers and run Windows Update to get latest patches. Remove the USB only after the final reboot to avoid accidental reinstall. If the system won't boot, make sure UEFI and secure boot settings match the media. Confirm SATA mode and recreate the USB if files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.